welcome to another video. This video, I'm going to show you what it looks like having a table made out of epoxy and wood after 3 years. You know, there are a lot of videos on how to make these tables and they all look stunning. They tell you that it's super easy and they look beautiful. But in reality, building an epoxy table is easy, but maintaining it is really not that easy. Now I'm gonna show you why this table looks stunning from 2 meter distance, but actually have a closer look. You see this? There are a lot of scratches. There are a lot of scratches. I hope you can see them well. Maybe if we go through the light. Yeah, you see that? Scratches here. You see that bumps here? Can you see it? Focus. Yeah. A lot of bumps here, scratches there, here and there, bumps, you know? Scratches, you see that? Oh wait, you see this? Yeah. I mean, it's a beautiful table, I still love it, but in reality, you need to take care of it. Yeah, you've seen the table. It needs a lot of caretaking, and that's why I made this video. In this video, we are going to pump up this table. We're going to make some really beautiful curves and rounded corners everywhere. We're gonna sand everything. I'm gonna apply some varnish and make this beautiful table look beautiful again. Yeah, and let's go. Now, before we start doing everything, I want to shorten that table a little bit. So we're gonna cut a strip here and a strip on the other side. Not bad, actually. Number 2. Really good. Yeah. A little bit of sanding here and there, but overall, quite good. Alright guys, man, this turns out really cool. I didn't go over crazy with the polish and cleaning up because I don't want to feel sorry for the table if it gets scratched or anything. So I'm quite fine with this polish I did. I mean, if you want, you can like fix every little spot. Like there's a little bump here I didn't fix. Maybe I'll fix it later, but you know, I'm not too crazy about that. It's for us, and man, and it has some character because when I first built this I made so many mistakes, so I'm happy with how it turns out to be. And it doesn't need to be that perfect. Of course, if I'm going to sell something like that, it would be polished and everything, but come on. I mean, for my own sake, I don't care that much. Obviously self-made. And yeah, how do you guys like this nice oval look? I mean, it's much smaller, and yeah, obviously when I get home, I need to varnish it and leave everything dry until tomorrow, because if I do it here I won't have any dining table, and it's so cold I don't think the varnish is going to be dry until tomorrow. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Let's get this boy home. I will forget about that though.